Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the to-do list on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the list icon at the left side on the screen and click to the grandpa. And new, you can check your to-do list, and for example just click to the arrow, and new you can you can do these settings. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.